what we want to do is to have a screen with a countdown timer to a presenter on the stage, and then we will control this with a Stream Deck. And to do this, we are using a companion, Stream Deck and CueTimer. In this video, I will show you how to connect all this and how it works. So the first thing we do is that we already opened the programs, and when you go to companion, you can add CueTimer as a module. So we go here, we add it, and I've cheated a little bit, so it's already working. And the reason it's working is that CueTimer is running and we share the same IP address and the same port number. To change the port number in CueTimer, you can go here to settings, and you can see now that this number is identical to this number. Okay, so that's great. And now we're going to populate this Stream Deck. It has 15 buttons, but we're only going to use 12 of them because we need these 3 buttons here to navigate the pages. So let's go to the presets and drag and drop some buttons. So these buttons will set the duration to a specific time. I want 10 minutes, 20, 30 and 40. I write it here in the text, the value, and then I need to set the value in the button field here. So now we have this page ready, and everything is ready except now when you push start, this is going to go down in the list, and this is not going to work for us because we're not going to watch this list during the show. So instead we need to initialize the CueTimer workspace, and you can do this with this button here in companion called initialize list. Now when you push this, I'm just going to do it with the pushing shift button here, then you can see that we only get one timer. And in our workflow, we're just going to repeat this timer over and over again and then set the duration as we need. So now we have these buttons here. The first one is the full screen, which turns on and off the screen, and we can black out the timer if we don't need it. It's actually not a blackout, but it just gets rid of the timers on the page. And here you can start the timer, stop it, you can give minutes like this, extract minutes, especially during, like if he's talking and he's talking too slow, then maybe the event organizer wants you to take off some time, and you do this by taking away a minute. And if you need to restart, you can push start over again. This is essentially the same as restart, so you don't need a separate restart button. And you have these presets where you can have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 and 40. Of course you can change this depending on what you need for the event. If a lot of speakers are talking 45 minutes, then you can do this here, but you can also easily adjust a little bit with the plus and minus buttons. So this is how we can control CueTimer from a Stream Deck page. I hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.